Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by building two core components, the track and the knob. Make the track roughly 40 by 20 and the knob 18 by 18, then group them. Once grouped, convert to a component so you can reuse it. This lets you create variants later. You should apply auto layout to keep consistent spacing and use clear layer names like track and knob. Doing this early prevents misalignment when you animate or add interactions, and it speeds up changes across instances. You now build the toggles to states, off and on, inside a single component as variants. Name the variant property, state, so it's intuitive. Move the knob to the left for off and to the right for on. Change fills accordingly so the visual change is clear. Make sure constraints are set to center or left/right so the knob shifts cleanly. Once done, create instances to test spacing and visual consistency. This guarantees the component behaves predictably. When resize, you finish by wiring the interaction. In prototype mode, add an on-click action that toggles the state between off and on using Smart Animate. Choose a short duration like 150 to 300 milliseconds and an ease that feels natural. This creates smooth motion. Once done, preview the instance and check for jumps. Make sure layers across variants have identical names and positions to avoid broken interpolation. If animation stutters, verify constraints and ensure both knobs share the same X/Y origin. This usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.